G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. This parcel's mostly it's seam pieces. I'll just go in a bit closer so you can get a better look. These, like I said, they aren't faces of material. They're seams, like fairly fine seam. As you can see, it's quite bright. Don't know how far that's going to go. That's a gamble, and it's going to need some very fine cutting to get stones out of them. You can see here the lines running down here, but it's very fine. This might just polish up the way it's facing up the top there. Can't really see a lot in this piece. Little eye here. Again, very fine line. See the colour going through there. It is quite fine. Take some careful work to get some stones out of this lot. I'd suggest only for someone that's experienced. Buy it. Cheers.